Most of the people don't have Robux, so I researched on how to get free Robux in 2026 and found out these 3 legitimate ways to get Robux. And me personally, I use it all the time. But let's save the best one to the last and start off with this. Number 3, sweatcoins. Sweatcoins is an app which gives you Robux while you walk. It's an app that pays you in their own currency called sweatcoins just for walking around. Like literally, you walk, you earn. That's it. Now you can't directly cash out sweatcoin for Robux. But what you can do is redeem your sweatcoins for PayPal cash or Amazon gift cards and then use that to buy Robux. This will allow you to be not kicked out by your mom for using her credit card. Here's how you can use the app. Step 1. Download sweatcoin from the link in the description. It's free. Step 2. Just keep it running while you walk around. It uses your phone's step counter. Step 3. Once you've built up enough coins, go to the rewards section in the app. Step 4. Redeem for PayPal, Amazon, or whatever gift card option they have. Then use that money to grab Robux. Now you might think, that's too easy, you walk, you earn. Nah. This one takes a while, and the conversion rate isn't amazing. If you are a person who travels or walks daily, then I might say use it as a secondary method. This requires a lot of patience. And that's why let's move on to method 2. Method 2, please donate. All right, hear me out. You might say, this piece of crap doesn't work for me, but what if I tell you you were just doing it the wrong way? There are many kind people who donate Robux. So for this method, to work for you, you might need an extension in your browser. Don't worry, it's completely safe, and I use it personally, and many other creators use it too. It's called RoPro extension. Once you have, you will see this thing. This randomly joins you in a perfect server if it doesn't try again. But once you are in a perfect server, you just have a golden opportunity and just go to them and just say, I was just joking, just ask them nicely and try your luck. And yes, the creator and Roblox eats some percent as government eats, but you heard the quote, something is better than nothing. This method is good, but the one which I was holding as the gold cup is method 1. Method 1. Microsoft Rewards. Honestly, it's my favorite method. So here's how it works. Microsoft basically pays you in points just for using their search engine, Bing. You search stuff, watch videos, do little quizzes, they give you points. And then you redeem those points for gift cards, including, you guessed it, Roblox gift cards. So let me show you exactly how to set this up. Step 1. Go to the link in description and sign in with a Microsoft account. If you don't have one, it's free to make. Step 2. Download the Microsoft Rewards app on your phone, or just use Bing as your search engine on your PC. Step 3. Do the daily activities. There's usually a daily set, a streak bonus, and some quizzes. These take me like 5 minutes a day, max. Step 4. Once you've got enough points, go to the redeem section, search for Roblox, and cash out for a gift card. Now the big question, how long does it take? So a 400 Robux gift card is around 6,500 points. If you're doing the daily tasks every day, you can hit that in about 3 to 4 weeks pretty easily. And if you're on PC doing searches too, it goes faster. It's not instant, but it's 100% free and 100% real. I've redeemed multiple times from this. This is probably the most consistent method on this entire list. So if you only do one thing from this video, make it this one. And that's it! 3 legit working methods to earn Robux for free in 2026. If this video helped you out, smash that like button and subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys in the next video.